working. And the microphone, when you insert the jack for the microphone, you have to check the audio panel if it's blinking or doing anything weird, because that means that probably the wires are backward.
Okay.
In this case, nothing is blinking. Like it looks like everything is working. Check on the headset if you can hear something, and it's working. Perfect.
Okay.
We can mute the speaker. Just
Oh,
pressing
you're
the
hearing
speaker.
the same thing that you're hearing speaker, right?
Has to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then we will check the radio. We want to do the radio check again. So I'm going outside using the ham radio. Put it in the 120,000. It's an
You
MP.
put the frequency there, la frequency ahí.
Yeah, it has to be matching the same frequency.
Okay.
Okay. And let's do the radio check again.
Okay.
Okay.
Kissimmee Gateway Airport, Avionica School, radio check.
Avionica School, Kissimmee Gateway Airport, 5 by 5.
Kissimmee Gateway Airport, Avionica School confirmed.